When we go outside of our door, we immediately embrace the nature and the elements around us, surrounding us. We feel the temperature, hot or cold, mild. We feel in our senses an expansion, like we're connected with the whole of the universe. Through our senses, we feel the sunlight that carries a vibration, or the energies of the sky that carry the vibration of sound and song, the clouds, or the clear sky, the sunrise, the light of the sunrise awakening in the sky, the birds starting to sing and join the chorus of sound and light and colour. They're singing their harmony in balance with the elements of the universe. It awakens us to the dawn. When we look at the light and its ever-changing frequencies and light and colour and reflections on the water, in the sky, on the land. And we look at these reflections and they bring us a sense of peace and stillness. We're touched, we can feel it. We may not be consciously aware, but unconsciously we are feeling this. It's working with our bodies, vibrating our bodies, bringing us in total harmony, much like the birds and all other animals on this earth. We are all one. We are all living in harmony and unity. And when we look at that and we look closely at nature and see what it's reflecting to us, like the waters reflecting the sky, the light reflecting on the sands, the rocks, an ever constant flow of change, of movement. And we breathe with this. We feel it on our skin, on our breath, in our noses as we breathe. We feel this whole senses awaken. And when we sit in peace and we look at the landscape, we look at the wildlife, we look at the birds, we watch them. What are they reflecting to us? They're in harmony with the tides. They're in harmony with the land. They're in unity with each other. A group consciousness. When we watch them, we notice that they're looking out for each other, like a little community. They're aware of each other's presence. They're aware of each other's sounds, voices, actions. And when we really watch them, we can feel peace in our bodies too. We notice that they take time to stand and stare and watch at their surroundings. Peaceful. When one moves, they go out like on a reckonance to see what's there, and the others start to follow, slowly starting to follow. We watch the birds, we look at the waters, the seaweeds, the rocks, and they stand still, the birds ever watching. The light is reflecting on them, and they are feeling peaceful, enjoying their flight, enjoying the light, and looking for food. The light nourishing the land, making the food come to the surface as it grows for us. The light growing the plants, the herbs, the trees, the nourishment for us. It's all around us, reflecting to us. Everything is in unity and synchronicity. This hidden vibration that we can only sense, and as yet we don't really understand. The harmony and the whole universe is a frequency of sound, vibration, that's emitting all of the time energies, and we flow in peace when we sit in nature, because we feel this peaceful energy. We look at the light on the sands, we look at the sea, we look at the light in the sky. We look at St. Michael's Mount. Monks used to pray, sing their sand, and this energy remains in the landscape. People swim in the seas because they feel the vibration. They feel and sense this whole expansive energy of the universe. They see wonderful light, reflections in the water. The water gives them energy that makes their body feel alive because they're connected with it. And again we notice unity. We look at the landscape. We can feel it even though we're looking at it. When we're out in the landscape, we sense all of these feelings. Reflection of light, heat, warmth, cold. Incredible beauty, and it lifts and touches our soul. This is what nature shows us.